In order to install Kotlin Multiplatform mobile plugin, we need Android Studio with version 4.1 or higher. So let us check our version. Android Studio, it is 4.1.1. So in this Android Studio, we can install Kotlin Multiplatform mobile plugin. How to install it? We have to go to Preferences, Plugins. Now we will search for Kotlin Multiplatform Mobile. So here is the Kotlin Multiplatform Mobile plugin. We need to install it. It will take some time. When it gets installed, we have to restart our IDE. Now as the plugin is installed, when we create a new project, we can find Kotlin Multiplatform application. So now we are ready to create a Kotlin Multiplatform application using Android Studio.